In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to diagram in Miro. By the end, you'll know how to open your board, use Miro's AI to generate a diagram, and customize it so it's clear, accurate, and presentation ready. First, sign into your Miro account and open the board where you want to work. Any existing board is fine. Make sure you have edit access so you can add content. Give the board a moment to load fully and center your canvas where you want the diagram to appear to keep things tidy as you build. Next, look for the AI tools in the toolbar. You might see an AI icon or a button labeled Create with AI. Click that to open the AI panel. If you prefer a conversational approach, you can also use the Sidekick panel to interact with AI directly from the board. If the AI option isn't visible, it may be limited by your plan or workspace settings, but if it's there, you're ready to go. Inside the AI panel, choose Diagram. You'll be prompted to pick a diagram type. Select the one that matches your goal. Choose Flowchart for step-by-step processes and decisions, diagram for database entities and relationships, or UML for software structures and interactions. Picking the right category helps the AI choose the best shapes and connectors from the start. Now describe what you want. Type a clear prompt and then click Generate. Be specific about the scope and structure. For example, name the start and end points of a process, list the key steps, call out any decision rules, or outline entities with their attributes and how they relate. Short sentences and clear labels work best. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your prompt with more detail or constraints, like the number of steps or the naming style, and generate again. Once the diagram appears, customize it so it communicates well. Adjust colors to create contrast between steps, decisions, and outcomes. Choose fonts that are easy to read at a glance and keep sizes consistent across similar elements. Use layout adjustments to reduce crossings and align shapes neatly. The snap and alignment guides in Miro make this quick. Verify that connectors point in the correct direction and that labels are unambiguous. For or UML diagrams, check that relationships and cardinalities match your intent. Group related elements visually and keep spacing generous so the flow is obvious. That's all you need to diagram in Miro with AI. Open your board, launch the AI tools, pick the right diagram type, generate from a good prompt, and polish the layout and style for clarity. Give it a try on your next process, system, or data model and enjoy the time you save.